Joining us now, Mr. G. Prakash, the Commissioner of Greater Chennai. Sir, thank you so much for your time.
Right, thank you.
Put us today's rains in perspective. So 14 centimeters rain in around 5 hours' time.
Yeah, actually, the northeast monsoon has set in, and we are getting the continuous feeds from the Med Center. The Director Med Center is on a real-time basis sharing across. The rains that we received today, it's not the first time. In fact, 4-5 days ago, we received a sudden bout of such kind of rains. This is for the second time. In fact, in one of our rain stations, we recorded 19 centimeters in Mylapore region. It's around 20 centimeters. Not a small quantity of rainwater that a city would be experiencing. In a span of 3 to 3.5 hours, this is kind of a sudden it's a burst. That's what I would like to say. So,
Is it unusual? When was it we had it like
it
this
is
last
actually
time?
quite unusual. In fact, this kind of sudden rains, you must be remembering the 2015 big rains that happened. That is a much extreme event, but this is also not an ordinary event, we can say. In fact, 20 centimeters of rains in a span of 3 to 3.5 hours is as good as what we faced during 2015, or as bad as what we faced 2015. But compared to 2015, in more ways than one, we have improved our critical infrastructures in terms of the length of the stormwater drain networks and so many other things. We have taken up water bodies restoration, which is now paying the dividends. We are recording the inflow of water into these water bodies that we have restored. And in addition to that, complete periodical desilting of the entire stormwater drain network, newly created and the existing ones, to perfection.
Many areas had ankle deep to knee deep waters. How would you explain that? Many said it brings back memories of the 2015 floods.
No, see, that was only temporary. As I was telling, see, there is something called design scenario. We have designed our stormwater drains for an 1 hour intensity of 70 millimeters, that is 7 centimeters. See, beyond that, if you design, so your length and the breadth of the stormwater drain network will keep on increasing, so leaving no room for any other infrastructures to happen. So we are limited by certain design parameters. Not only us, across the world, these are the boundary conditions based on which a stormwater drain network could be designed. We followed exactly by the book the international practices and all that, and created all these designs. But still, whenever there is a bout of rains, whenever there is an outburst of rains beyond a particular level, what will happen is it will be retained for some time. The drain, normal rains, suppose if it is up to 7 centimeters, I can technically and boldly say that the drainage would happen in a span of 5 minutes. But if it is 10 centimeters, I would like to say it will happen with a retention of 10 minutes. It will be there for 10 minutes, but then it will drain. Because there is a velocity. The discharge velocity is defined by the area and the volume that it can carry. So beyond that, it will have to wait and it will have to queue in.
Any steps being taken now to expedite this?
Yes, in fact, construction of the stormwater drains as per the designs and all, in the northern and southern regions of Chennai is about to start. In fact, we have actually started the process. For permanent infrastructures in these two areas, it will take 2 years from now, minimum 2 years or 2.5 years from now. But existing infrastructure O&M is happening like last year. With same vigor we have started this year also. See, this is the reason when these SOPs are in place, even though we faced around 20 centimeters in a single span of 3 to 3.5 hours, right now you cannot say any place that is very bad or something like that. Most of the areas got drained. Maybe wherever there is a saucer, where the sea level is much higher than in certain locations. We have certain geographical locations in Chennai where the sea level is, the particular topography is lower than the mean sea level. There we will have to do some pumping arrangements and all that. That is also happening.
Some say Smart City Chennai is not monsoon ready yet this time.
No, we cannot have extreme views of things as far as the city is concerned. Every year the resilience of the city is increasing. Every year the operations and the knowledge to manage the monsoons is on the rise. So does our capacity.
After 2015, have we learnt lessons and improved things?
Extreme. We have learnt a lot of lessons. That is why the World Bank's funded project we successfully executed. ADB came and in fact they praised us, and they are funding another 2,800 crores of Kosasthalayar basin. The Germans, they are funding for the Kovalam basin. Because we had a proof of concept by the ISWD construction under the aegis of World Bank, all these agencies are now interested.
Last
so
question.
much we learnt,
Right.
and so much we have executed also.
Lastly, your message for Chennai is so little worried at the moment. Day one of after the monsoon,
Okay.
Chennai has witnessed so much of waterlogging.
So my appeal to all the citizens of Chennai is, let us not panic. Whatever happened today, the rainfall that happened was an extreme kind of an event, extreme situation. Not every day you would be seeing 20 centimeters of rainfall in 3 years. It's a very, very rare event, and because of this very excess sudden bout of rains in a very, very short span of time, certain locations face some difficulties, which were also addressed completely, and systematically we have taken care of all those issues. So nothing to worry, nothing to panic. At the same time, let us follow the protocols of COVID, particularly the masking, which in the winter days, the experts are saying that the transmission might be a little faster because of the cold conditions and all that. So mask is the number one, discipline that we'll have to obey. And generally during all rainy seasons, the advisory that we give is avoid unnecessary travels outside, which also fits into the COVID regulations.
Monsoon get little attention and time, manpower from the corporation because of COVID?
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Did monsoon preparedness get little time because of the COVID focus?
No, I cannot say like that, because for this particular purpose, we have created a separate set of vendor network. And our engineers are known for multitasking. In fact, they are also, divisional level task team leaders for the COVID, which they have been exceptionally doing from the month of April. And now it's an additional work which they are used to do regularly. It's not a new thing to them. In fact, like the back of their hand, they know about their region, and the response to any kind of requests or incidents will be very quick. So our GCC is very well aware of all these things.
You have a meeting now. Thank you so much for your time. That was Mr. G. Prakash, the Greater Chennai Commissioner, talking to us in Chennai with camera person Edwin. Sam Daniel, Find the TV.